Hello viewers, how are you guys? In today's video we are going to learn about how to customize chat widgets in a GHL, and we can change our color according to the brand, so we can change icon, even we can change placement as well. Let's go to the sites. You need to log in your account where you want to change your chat icon or customize your chat widgets, and after that you can go to the chat widget. And here you see there is no chat widget right now, but I will create a new one. Here we have three options. If you want SMS, emails, and what WhatsApp chat icon, it's totally depend on you, but I can go with the live chat. Yeah, right now it's a latest update of GoHighLevel, in which they allow us to customize our chat icon, chat widgets according to our brands and the color scheme and everything. So in a first, you see there is a three tab. One is the widgets, chat widget window, and messaging. So let's first change the widgets, and after that we will go to the chat window and also messaging as well. Right now here you see there is a chat prompt. We can customize according to our requirement, and for example I can see here, you can see there is a picture here, but if you can select this one, there is a no picture. So it's totally depend on you what you want to show here. And also we can select our chat icon. You see this is chat icon, change according to our needs and whatever we are going to select here. And also instead of chat icon, you can upload custom image as well from your computer, from GoHighLevel as well. Right now I think I don't have any image here, so yeah, I have for example I can choose this image. You see this image will be appear here, and you can also customize according to your requirement, and you can put your image according to your requirement. And also here is a theme option. You can change theme color as well according to your, for example I just click here, and here you can see, yeah, and here you can see the theme colors. You can change color according to your requirement and according to your brand colors, and also you can check your all colors and all the themes and all the design here. And here you have your own colors. You can create your own colors and all the stuff according to your requirement. And another thing is a typography in a font. You can choose your font, for example this font, and for this message font you can choose your own. I just go with the Riboto, and yeah, Riboto and serif, and you can change your font according to your brand's font or your requirement. Sender message text color, you can change message color as well. And you see this is a, I just change red, black, sender, receive. You can change according to your requirement, but I just now put it a white back. And also you can change your colors here. Also here you can check your placement, and you can change your image as well, this image as well, if you want to change. For example I can just see placement here. Let me get this. This is for best for e-commerce website. For example this one is best for landing page design, and this is best for business website, and this is best for your day-to-day portfolio type websites. And you can replace this icon as well. If you want to disable this icon, you can just click on it. And also you can customize widget dimension as well. For example here you want to put 500, and here we can make it 700, and you see the size is increase of